Hello, new day, new bahay. Today I'm going to show you a 24.5 million pesos house here in Enclave Subdivision, Angeles City, near Clark. Tara! So this house po have 2-car garage for one big and one small SUV only. Pero pag dalawang big, hindi na po siya kakasya. Meron tayong pocket garden here. Straight to the pool po yan. Pakita ko later. Tara, pasok tayo. Okay, magtanggal tayo ng chinelas. Here your stairs. High ceiling po. Ito yung provision for your living area. Then dito sa ilalim, pwede kayo maglagay ng cabinets for your shoes. Diyan siya. Living area, and then here is your dining area. And here is your kitchen. So lahat na nandito is kasama sa price na 24.5. And this house pala, it sits on 200 square meter and yung floor area ng buong bahay is 290. Okay, may ref, and here is your guest room. Meron siyang powder room dito. Toilet and bath pala. And meron kayong elderly room here. Meron na siyang built-in cabinet and AC inverter. Tayo sa pool area. So yung yung dining area nyo, straight siya here sa pool area. And meron siyang bar counter here. Kung magba-barbecue kayo, dito na lahat. Dito na lang kayo magluto. Tapos, right there, yung sa swimming pool nyo. And here is, kapag may magsiswimming, here naman, kapag may magsiswimming, dito na kayo mag-shower, may toilet na din. And here is your maid's room. Yung maid's room nyo, may sarili na siyang toilet and bath. So, hindi na siya pasok-pasok sa bahay. Meron siyang sarili. Okay? Diba? Ang ganda ng inyong bar here sa labas. Okay, tayo sa taas. Ko napakita yun. Okay na tayo sa taas. Ma'am, pato. Ganda ng chandelier. So dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and lahat ng rooms may sarili toilet and bath. Spacious siya dito, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng sala, maliit. So, here, this is your first bedroom. May pa-chandelier. May cabinets na. May AC na din po. And here is your toilet and bath. Very spacious. Hindi tinipid. And here is your master bedroom. Ganda ng master bedroom. Buko finish. Pa-diamond. Ang ganda, diba? And here is your walk-in closet. Tapos, yung toilet and bath niya, grabe, parang umupo ka sa, ang ganda. Okay, doon na tayo sa third. So, here is your third room. Facing siya ng main road. So, yung bahay na to nasa main road. Wide yung road niya. Pwede na mag-park sa labas. And meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. So guys, if you wanna view this house, please call the number above and follow me on my YouTube channel. See you on the next house tour. Bye-bye.